Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have now any of those vehicles, guys, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram Pro City Master, guys, with the 2.4 MultiAir engine, guys, today will be super helpful video to you guys. We're going to explain what you need to do to replace your serpentine belt, how to remove it, how to replace it, all that stuff. As you can see, guys, the engine is out of the car. That same engine is being used in all these vehicles. We got it out because, guys, we'll have more than 100 videos on that engine alone. Okay, we'll be taking almost everything apart, and by getting it out of the vehicle, we'll show you with great detail how to do things. Otherwise, it will be practically impossible to show you with the camera how to do things. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start on it now and show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace your serpentine belt. Okay, you can see this is, guys, the engine right here, 2.4 MultiAir engine. It's being used, guys, as I said, Chrysler 200, it's been used on Fiat 500, and it's been used, guys, on Dodge Promaster, I think, City. So check this one out as well. Now, this is, guys, your belt. How you get to the belt if the engine is in the car? You will, guys, need to remove your air filter box. Once you remove the air filter box, this is your serpentine belt tensioner. Okay, you can see that guy right here. This is your water pump, crankshaft pulley, idle pulley, AC compressor and alternator. Now, every time, guys, you replace the belt, I would recommend to put new pulleys for the tensioner pulley and idle pulley as well. We'll have the links in the description of the video below. But if you just need to replace the belt, that's what we'll be doing today. The link for the new belt will be listed in the description of the video below, guys, so you can check out if you need to buy one, where you can get one for a good price. That's where we get our parts from. We need 16mm socket now, or 5/8 works as well, and we're going to go clockwise. Okay, and it's going to compress the tensioner. Now, you cannot pull the belt from the alternator like most vehicles because it's a shorter belt. The only option is to pull it from the idle pulley. Okay, like that. And the belt, guys, will come out. You can see, pretty simple, right? So that's how you guys remove it. After that, guys, you get the new replacement belt. Okay, and you're going to start from the crankshaft pulley. After that, you're going to feed it, guys, to the AC compressor. Okay, in the vehicle will be way more limited room, so it won't be as easy. It will take you more time. Go to the idle pulley, from the idle pulley to the alternator. Then from the alternator, guys, okay, we'll need to go to the water pump, and from the crankshaft we need to go to the tensioner pulley. Now what I'll do, I'll remove it from here, okay, and we're going to install it on the tensioner pulley first. Okay, and now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and install it, okay, on that idle pulley now. Perfect. Okay, and now we let go. This is the whole procedure, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you cannot reach your crankshaft pulley, you might need to get the fender liner loose so you can get to it. The tensioner pulley, excuse me, or the crankshaft pulley on the bottom if you cannot reach to install it, but other than that, you should be able to get it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.